Right, the Stig has just been told it's got a software update. We don't drive it much, so I don't know quite why it suddenly got one. Now, this is interesting in a couple of ways, because Land Rover's servers are down, so will it be able to connect, or has it downloaded previously? I don't know. Let me know. With Land Rover being down, is the In Control app working? I ought to try myself. Maybe we'll do that in a minute. Right, so installation time 35 minutes. This is going to go to 4.3.1, and it includes the following. So it's got the sunroof status within In Control remote app. That's interesting. Not going to affect the Stig because we haven't got a sunroof, but interesting all the same. There may be is adding a 3G network, 3G sunset, to support. Does that the name of the network, or does that mean as the 3G network dies off? So you could lose mobile coverage for 48 hours. Okay, enhancement of diagnostics, improvements to the telematic backup power system. Some people have asked me to do a video on replacing the telematics battery, and it's kind of a controversial one because I know where it is and how to do it, but the telematics battery is what reports your vehicle location if the bad guys disconnect your battery. So by showing them where that is, it's somewhat, but Land Rover seem to be charging a fortune for that, and they seem to be going wrong. Audio quality improvements, rear traffic alert. Sound may be played through the incorrect channel on the mid-ear sound system. That would be not good. Also bug fixes. Now, obviously, I don't want to rinse Land Rover for showing us what their problems were. I think this is good and being open and transparent. I think this is good that because originally I complained because it just said improvements and fixes, and it's like, great. So I commend Land Rover for actually commending all these. Right, so let's set it going and see if it does. We've got the battery is on charge, so we've got to close all the doors and double lock it, and let's see if it goes. Right, so let's double lock it, so make sure it beeps and the mirrors should fold in. One lock, two locks, you go. So that is double locked and it should be doing it. Right, so we have just updated the car. We haven't gone to it yet, but look. So I'll go on to the Stig, and it says it's in sleep mode. But it says the vehicle enters sleep mode after 4 days of inactivity. Well, it's only been out there for an hour or two, not 4 days. But there we go. Alicia's got the keys. Well, let's wander around, Alicia, see what happens. Let's unlock the Stig. All right, it's unlocked. Let's jump in, Alicia, and see what it says. Boy, have we got the new software? Has it installed nicely? Is it playing nicely today?
Recording started.
Give it a minute to wake up. Right, it should give me a little, a little number up there. It should say either software update failed or... So obviously the In Control app does seem to be working, which is interesting because with Land Rover's systems down, they have managed to keep the rest of it going. Oh, it keeps listening to me every time I say Land Rover. I swear that's a thing they've done on purpose. Right, it's not playing ball. I've waited for it for a good couple of minutes. So let's go in and see what it says. So let's go on all, and it's at the bottom, software update. Your vehicle is up to date. No, it's not, because it was 4.3. So what happened to all that effort I've just done to doing the upgrade? Yeah, that didn't work then, did it? It's not 18th of March 2025 today, is it? No, we're in September. And it hasn't given me an icon to tell me the update failed. It hasn't given me an update to tell me I've got an update waiting to install. It hasn't told me it was successful. So 4.3.1, it's a bit of a fail. Right, one problem I've now got is after the update, I've got no icon, I've got no thing, but I've now got on an airbag warning light that I definitely did not have before. So what has gone on? We can check the early part of the video. I swear down, I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. I've got nothing else that should give me an airbag warning light. It's like the airbag system is malfunctioning. And yeah, I still haven't got the software update. It's giving me no update at all on what it's doing. Yeah, and I'm still on the lower level software. So, what's happened there? Oh.